Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon in the Philippines and Australia. I'm going to show you my gift from Australia. Yay! Which is, the owner of this is Steve Smithdog videos. I'm going to unbox this one. Okay. Hello, I'm excited.
Special delivery.
Huh?
Special delivery.
No, I was the one who picked up at the municipal hall from Steve Smith at outlook.com. Wow! Hala! What's the inside? Grabe, oy. What's this? Oy, unsa man ni? Ay. My address is Doña Maria. My love. Unsa man ni siya, eh? What are you doing, ha?
Watching you.
Na. Agoy! Struggling. Struggling. I told Chloe to wait because you said that it has something for Chloe. Yes, yeah. I'm here, Chloe. What's this?
You have welcome. Is that the house of the rising sun?
No,
Chloe.
I'm here in my house.
That's your house.
Yes. And they are there because Luella attended the meeting of the parents. So, look at that, guys. I can smell you. I can smell you now.
No way, I don't stink.
Hello. Here, my love.
That's for Chloe.
This is for Chloe.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. Wow. Cute. Cute, my love. I smell you. Oh. This one is for Chloe. From Australia with love. Oh, manisod guys ha, manisod. Kalo sa bata, oh. And here,
Put your hat on.
the other one. This one. Oh, wow, couple hot.
Put it on.
Look at, let me.
That's where I gave it to you.
Ah, wow, thank you.
Just orange. Banana only.
Why so big?
Is that orange?
Fold it up the front. Fold it up.
Like this?
No, fold it.
A
Fold
fold?
it up so it goes up.
A fold? Okay.
Okay.
Uh, I fold. Thank you, my love.
Yeah.
Let's try it on me.
Look at guys, couple hot.
Mama.
From him. And then, yay! The weighted one. This is the second one. How much you paid for this? The toothbrush.
in pesos or dollars?
Pesos.
I think I
Toothbrush. You told me that it was 777.
Postage was 777.
Yeah, what about in dollars?
The toothbrush cost $705.
$7.
Wow! Costly. This is how much is this, my love?
Maybe $7.
705 pesos.
705. Wow. Let me
See
open.
if I take it out, see if the battery still works.
Let me open. It has already battery inside.
Yeah.
Oh
And then feel
my
it.
gosh.
Ask the kids.
Aha.
This is how you
Push the
open
button.
it.
Where?
I think this is the button
There.
or something. Oh my gosh. That button?
Button.
Try out.
Push the
I
button.
think you.
Where is the Asa man? This.
Is this the button? It's kidding.
Take a photo of me. Is it working?
Yes. Working. Really working. Special gift from Steve. Guys, to me.
That's really
How to
cute.
put off this?
Oh,
My love. How to put off?
the button. Right there.
Huh?
Push the button.
This. I think this is. I think it's not the button. Oh, that's.
It's a pretty simple concept. You just push the button.
Yeah, the other side, this one.
Yeah.
That was really sweet.
Thank you so much, my love. So
That's
much.
alright. I'm glad you received it finally.
Yesterday, I got the passport. And today, I got your package. Which is this one. A couple hot from you. Thank you. Open, open.
Yay! Yeah, I should open this thing. Oh, there. You look like a pirate.
I look like a new people's army.
No, that's
Okay, guys, look at the
this.
and the brush, toothbrush.
What's this?
Thank you so much for watching, for looking the unboxing of my gift from Steve. And this is Philimix Vlogs reporting. Thank you.
Wednesday.